everybody, welcome back to Bird Tricks Kids. I'm Capri, and today I'm going to be taking you along with me while I feed all my birds breakfast. Today I'm going to be feeding 8 birds. Olivia the conure, Bondi the cockatoo, Cressy the African gray, Blueberry the budgie, TUSA and Comet the Camelot macaws, and JINX and Ava the blue-throated macaws. That's a lot of birds to feed, so let's go. Breakfast for all my birds is a recipe from the Bird Tricks Natural Feeding System cookbook. We make these recipes based on the season, and each recipe has vegetables, grains, beans, and sprouts. My mom and I make this recipe in really big batches, then freeze it in these bags. Then we take out these bags to defrost them, and they last maybe 3 days to feed all of our birds. Each bird gets a spoonful amount, but Bondi, Olivia, and Blueberry all get the smallest portions.
Oh, someone came to join us. He got tired of waiting for breakfast. You want breakfast now? It's time. It's time.
We also forgot to grab one thing. Berries bowl. These are the small birds. These are the bigger birds. Daddy! Hey, Bonnie, look. Cressy, lift your head. Also make sure your bird is getting fresh, clean water every day because a bird's water dish can get gross in a single day and start to get slimy. Gross. Knew you were thirsty.
Your face. We're on a mission today.
Rocco! I hope you guys enjoyed watching my birds get their breakfast in today's video. If you want to see one where I serve them their dinner, which is a totally different meal, let me know for my next video. See you next time.